Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Honor Choice Earbuds X5 step by step so you can get them working like new again. So basically what you'll need to do is put your two earbuds back in the case and close the case. Wait for the 5 seconds and after that open the case and take out two earbuds. And as you can see there's a buttons right here. So take two earbuds and hold it for like 10 seconds on these buttons. So put two fingers and hold it for 10 seconds. It will do a hard reset and basically after that put it back again in the case, close and open again to connect to your phone. And that's basically how you perform a hard reset. So basically if this video was helpful, please like this video, comment down below for the algorithm and see you in the next one.